Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And while some of you guys may have preferred to stay indoors for the next couple of weeks, a lot of things are affected. So yeah, I feel your guys' frustrations, and just know that my prayers and my thoughts are with all of you out there, that you guys are safe and that you guys are doing okay. And you know what, before I jump into the video, I just want to kind of give you guys, some ideas. I mean, some of you guys may be kind of like laid off work for a little bit. You guys got to be home. Kids aren't going to school. Schools are shut down. This would probably be the best time to just put down electronic devices and just really spend some quality time with your family and kids. I would so strongly recommend that. Since these days everything is pretty much jam-packed with the digital world, ranging from kids all the way up to their parents, and not enough time being spent as a family. So you know what, make the most of everything and spend some time with your kids. Talk with them, like have a family conversation just to have fun and laughs, and to really know what your children are thinking, and for your children to understand what you're thinking and how you're feeling. Bust out the board games. If you've never bought any board games, I would definitely recommend that when you're going to grab your next batch of TP and all that stuff, go and get you some board games. Sit down and play a nice board game with your kids. It is so much fun. You guys, that was my childhood growing up. I played games like Parcheesi, Trouble, Double Trouble, Shoots and Ladders, Candyland, Sorry. There's just a buttload of board games that you can have so much fun playing. Even, Guess Who and Battleship. There's so many games you guys can play that don't require you to have battery or power to do so. So these are just some ideas that I'm spitballing. Definitely, stop by if your local libraries are still open. Check out some really cool books with some good stories and some good meanings behind it, and have like a family night reading, where each person takes a turn at reading a chapter, and everyone just gather around and just listen and let your imaginations run wild. You don't have to depend on the digital world to keep you sane while you kind of keep yourself within the confines of four walls. There are a lot of things that you can do at home with your kids. Even if you don't have kids, with your significant other, with your best friend, with your siblings. There are so many things you can do that don't require you to have to be in the digital world all the time. As in the digital world, that famous name is broadcasted everywhere, and that just people with anxiety problems and stuff like that are probably stressing out really bad. So I would say those are some things that I would recommend. Anyways guys, if you guys enjoyed these little tips, advices for you guys, smash that like button to let me know. Hit the subscribe button if you have not, and if you do, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload another video. And that's it for right now. And yeah, next video coming here shortly. As always, aloha.